Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Come on in.
Hello. Hi. This is Frederick. Looks good. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
We've got a bath.
Bath in the
Wow.
bedroom.
Oh, it's a proper suite. We're in one of the turrets.
Oh god, this is cool.
Look, we're in the corner turret. Nice view. This is one of the biggest rooms we've been in before.
What's in here? Oh look.
Mini bar.
No, they're the special
Caramel.
treats that
Oh.
come with the room.
View of the. Can we see the camper?
I think so.
Just see the camper. We've got another table in case we have
Oh, look, there you can see the
in case we have
ferry.
guests.
Oh, in case we have guests.
In case we've got guests, we've got two tables. Nice bed.
We've got a gift.
Oh, what's that?
It's our gift.
Scotland gift.
Yeah, so we've got.
Oh, there for me then.
We've got 2 cans of iron brew.
It's very Scottish.
Yeah. We've got some Clooty dumpling, Cranachan and
Tablet
iron brew,
or
Highland toffee, and we've got some
Oh, of course, it's got to be Walker's
Highland
shortbread.
shortbread.
We've got a settee in case any more guests come in, or just to lounge during the evening.
What on here? Oh look, these must be for you as well. Pickled onion flavour.
Sue doesn't eat
cheddar and
onion,
flavour.
and Sue doesn't eat chocolate. But you can't have all the shortbread.
Well, I'm afraid it's just going to have to be like that.
No, very nice.
What's
Oh,
that? What?
there's another door.
A walk-in wardrobe?
It's an office. Another door.
It's a walk-in wardrobe.
Iron safe. We've got, what's it?
Oh look. And a dressing table.
Wow, very impressed. Maybe let's have a look at the bathroom. Notice we've taken our shoes off.
We didn't do the bathroom. We normally do the bathroom first.
Oh, the bath's in the main area.
Well, yes.
Massive
Obviously.
shower. And we've got, what are these things? Some nice shower gel and stuff. And heated towel rail. Wow, very impressed.